Imagine starting your day with a refreshing cleanse, a ritual that not only invigorates your body but also soothes your soul. This is a moment of peace before the daily hustle, a time to center yourself and find tranquility. For Muslims around the world, this isn't just a feel-good routine, it's wudu, a sacred act that transcends mere physical cleanliness. Wudu is the Islamic ritual of washing specific parts of the body in a particular way, following a sequence that has been practiced for centuries. More than just physical cleanliness, it's a spiritual preparation, a way to connect with God and find inner peace. Each step is performed with intention and mindfulness. Wudu is about more than just clean hands and face, it's about cleansing the heart and mind too. It's a moment to reflect, to purify one's thoughts and intentions. It's a reminder to approach prayer and daily life with purity and intention. The act of wudu sets the tone for the day, instilling a sense of calm and purpose. In this essay, we'll delve into the steps of wudu, exploring each part of the process in detail. We'll explore its historical and religious significance, tracing its origins and understanding its importance in Islamic tradition, and discover why this simple act holds such profound meaning for millions. Wudu is not just a ritual, it's a way of life, a practice that brings clarity and peace to the mind and soul. The flowing water symbolizes purity and renewal, washing away not just physical impurities, but also the stresses and worries of daily life. Families often perform wudu together, teaching children the importance of this ritual from a young age, instilling values of cleanliness and spirituality. As the ritual concludes, one feels a sense of readiness, a serene preparedness to face the day or engage in prayer with a clear mind and pure heart. Wudu unites the community, bringing individuals together in a shared practice that reinforces their faith and commitment to their beliefs. As the day ends, the practice of wudu serves as a reminder of the continuity of faith, a ritual that bridges the gap between the physical and the spiritual, the mundane and the divine. Through wudu, one finds peace, clarity, and a deeper connection to the divine, making it an essential part of daily life for millions of Muslims around the world. Performing wudu is easy to learn, yet it holds profound spiritual significance. It involves 8 simple steps, each performed with mindfulness and reverence, connecting the physical act to a deeper spiritual cleansing. First, wudu begins in the heart. Before even touching water, you make a sincere intention to perform this act for the sake of God. This intention, known as niyyah, is the foundation of wudu, setting the tone for the purity that follows. Second, wash your hands thoroughly 3 times, ensuring water reaches between the fingers. This step symbolizes the cleansing of your actions, preparing you to engage in acts of worship with clean hands. Third, rinse your mouth 3 times, swirling water to cleanse it fully. This act purifies your mouth, the vessel of your words, ensuring that what you speak is clean and pure. Fourth, gently sniff water into your nostrils 3 times, cleaning the nasal passages. This step not only refreshes your senses but also symbolizes the purification of your breath. Fifth, wash your face 3 times, from the hairline to the chin and earlobe to earlobe. This act cleanses your face, the part of you that faces the world, ensuring it is pure and ready for prayer. Sixth, wash your arms from fingertips to elbows 3 times, ensuring water reaches every part. This step purifies your arms, preparing them for the acts of worship and service they will perform. Seventh, wet your hands and wipe them over your entire head once, from the front to the back and back to the front. This act symbolizes the purification of your thoughts and mind, aligning them with the divine. Eighth, wash your feet 3 times up to the ankles, making sure to clean between the toes. This final step purifies your feet, the foundation of your body, preparing you to stand in prayer with a pure heart and body. Each step of wudu is not just a physical act but a spiritual journey, cleansing both body and soul, preparing you to connect with the divine in a state of purity and reverence. Through these 8 folds of purity, wudu transforms the simple act of washing into a profound ritual of spiritual renewal, reminding us of the importance of cleanliness and mindfulness in our daily lives. Embrace each step with intention and devotion, and let the purity of wudu guide you towards a deeper connection with the divine. Wudu is deeply intertwined with Islamic beliefs and practices. It's considered a prerequisite for prayer, symbolizing purification and readiness to stand before God. Just as we wouldn't approach someone important without presenting ourselves well, wudu is a way to show respect and reverence to the divine. But wudu's significance extends beyond just prayer. It's a reminder to approach all aspects of life with cleanliness and purity. both physically and spiritually. The practice of wudu has been an integral part of Islam since its inception. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized its importance and demonstrated the correct way to perform it. He said, "Prayer is not accepted without purification." Sahih al-Bukhari. Throughout history, Muslims have diligently preserved and practiced wudu. From the deserts of Arabia to the bustling cities of today, this ritual has remained a constant connecting Muslims across generations and continents. Section 5. Beyond the physical, the spiritual power of wudu. While the physical act of washing is important, the true power of wudu lies in its spiritual dimension. It is not merely about cleanliness, but about purifying the soul and mind. Each drop of water symbolizes a step towards spiritual renewal. As you perform each step, it's an opportunity to reflect, to let go of worries, and to focus on connecting with God. The act of washing your hands, face, and feet is a ritual that invites mindfulness and presence. It's a moment to pause and center yourself. The coolness of water on skin, the rhythmic motions, and the conscious intention create a sense of tranquility and peace. The sensation of water washing away impurities is deeply symbolic, representing the cleansing of one's inner self. This ritual can be a powerful reminder of the importance of inner purity and spiritual clarity. It's a time to cleanse not just the body, but also the heart and mind, preparing for prayer or simply for facing the day ahead. Wudu is a practice that transcends the physical act, offering a moment of spiritual reflection and renewal. It's a sacred pause in the day, a chance to reconnect with your faith and find inner peace. Whether you are preparing for prayer or simply seeking a moment of calm, Wudu offers a profound spiritual experience that can transform your state of mind and bring a sense of serenity and focus. Section 6. Wudu and health, a happy coincidence. Interestingly, the physical act of wudu also offers several health benefits. Regular hand washing is crucial for hygiene, and the act of rinsing the mouth and nose can help prevent infections. Furthermore, the act of washing the face and feet can be refreshing and invigorating, especially in hot climates. While not the primary reason for performing wudu, these health benefits are a welcome bonus. Section 7. Focus and presence. Entering a sacred space. Wudu acts as a symbolic transition from the mundane to the sacred. It's a way to leave behind the distractions of daily life and enter a state of spiritual focus and presence. Just as we wouldn't enter a king's court without proper decorum, wudu helps us approach prayer with the respect and reverence it deserves. It's a reminder that we are entering a sacred space both physically and spiritually. Section 8. Wudu in daily life, a constant companion. For many Muslims, wudu isn't just a pre-prayer ritual, it's a constant companion throughout the day. Muslims are encouraged to perform wudu before reciting the Quran, attending Islamic gatherings, or even before sleep. This frequent act of purification serves as a constant reminder of God's presence and encourages mindfulness throughout the day. It's a way to stay connected to one's faith even amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Section 9. Sharing the tradition, wudu's universal appeal. The beauty of wudu lies in its simplicity and universality. Anyone, regardless of age or physical ability, can perform it. It's a ritual that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers, uniting Muslims across the globe. It's a reminder that taking care of ourselves, both physically and spiritually, is essential for a fulfilling life. Section 10. Conclusion, embracing the purity within. Wudu, the Islamic ritual of purification, is far more than just a physical act of washing. It's a spiritual journey, a moment of reflection, and a constant reminder of our connection to God. By embracing wudu, we cleanse our bodies, hearts, and minds. We prepare ourselves for prayer, for facing the challenges of the day, and for living a life of purpose and meaning. It's a simple act with profound implications, a testament to the beauty and depth of Islamic tradition.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the Fact Fusion.